Hola mi gente, thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'm going to show you the gift that you get when you are an Ulta Rewards member in the tier Diamond. So you guys want to find out what you get when you reach Diamond, just keep on watching. So when you reach Diamond, the first thing you get is an email, and that email has a reward coupon code, which you would redeem either at the store or online. So keep in mind that without that coupon code, you won't get the welcoming gift even if you reach Diamond. So when you go to the store, they will ask you for that coupon code, and if you are just getting it, let's say you're going to purchase something online, you would just have to put that code on the code coupon section. Now I believe if you use that code, you can't use any other code. Just keep that in mind. Now once you redeem your code, you are going to get this pretty pink box, which looks pretty nice and very girly, just like me. Not really, but but you know, it is a medium-sized box and it's very simple. It's more like a matte pink, but very bright pink. It says Ultimate Rewards Diamond, and it says the Diamond Life starts now, and it says welcome. Now when you open the box, the first thing that you notice, I mean, let's face it, it's going to be the $25 rewards card that you have right here. It is a $25 off your next beauty service. So it's not like a $25 gift card. It's just like a coupon, a $25 coupon to the beauty service line of Ulta. It also comes with this little insert right here, which gives you like a welcoming message for you. And on the back, it tells you exactly what you get with the diamond perks. And it tells you all the perks that you get also right over here. I only thought that you will get just a $25 reward card, but they also give you a few little cute samples. I got the Man Eater Double Duty Beauty, the liquid liner. It's like an eyeliner. And I also got this little thing. I think it's a mascara. It's the Clinique High Impact Mascara, and it's also like in a deluxe sample size. And I also got a lot of paper. So this is the wand right here for the mascara. And for the liquid eyeliner, I like the packaging. It has their Man-Eater logo. It looks like leopard. The light is reflecting too much on this, so you probably won't even tell that much. But it has like a leopard print, and when you open it, oh, this is nice. Okay, so this is the applicator for the eyeliner. It is not a felt tip. I'm gonna have to research this because it looks like a brush, but I've never seen the type of applicator. You know, like sometimes it looks like a sponge or like a felt tip. So yeah, I'm looking on the Ulta website and it says it has a brush tip. So yeah, it looks like a brush. It's pretty cool. It's at least very different to me. I haven't seen eyeliner with this type of tip. But apparently it has really great reviews at Ulta. Probably could use a little bit more of pigmentation, but it's not too bad. It doesn't look like it transfers or like goes into your fine lines, so that is very good. It does dry quickly as well. So I think this is really nice. The mascara, I will see. I already have mascara, so I can't try it right now, but I will try it. And if you guys want to know if I liked it or not, I can answer the question in the comment section below. So just let me know if you want to know that. Now, for those of you who are curious what Diamond is, Ulta has this new program where it's like an extra tier of rewards. To reach the diamond level, you will have to spend at least $1,200 at Ulta over the course of a whole year, and it goes into a calendar year. So let's say you start in August of 2018, you will have to spend at least $1,200 before the end of December in order to be diamond for next year. That's how it works. Now in 2019, you will be diamond through January to December of 2019, but if you don't spend at least $1,200 during 2019, you won't be diamond for 2020. I hope that's not confusing. But yeah, once you get to that diamond status, you get more points for your buck. So for example, if you're just part of the rewards program, you get 1 point for each dollar, but once you get to the diamond, you get 1.5 points for each dollar. You also get free shipping for any purchases of $25 or more, which is very convenient, and you also get this little box as a welcoming gift. So that is it for today. If you have any other questions about how the Ulta Rewards program works, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!